Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So I do get a lot of comments with people saying I have saved them a lot of money, and I do get questions, hey, can I send you some money somehow? And now there is a way, if you so choose, called fan funding. You'll find it on the channel page right there. So under the dash of a 1999 Nissan Frontier to replace the ignition switch, the electrical part. And so there's screws in here. There's Phillips screws. Got my Phillips screwdriver. Got one out already. So we're just going to stick our little screwdriver up here in these holes and remove the screws. Not a lot to it, right? Just a Phillips screw driver. And we'll just turn them out of these holes. Oh. Gotta see how these have got some teeth and some clips on them where the screws come through. Bolt holes, you can see here. So there we go. Probably take this off here somehow. So we're gonna get right here, and there's a screw here, and there's probably a screw on the other side behind this wiring. You just slide this rubber piece off. So there's a plug-in down there then too. Right here. I'm just going to pry it out because it has a new fittings right here that's going to allow it to mount onto the piece of metal. So I'm just going to pry that off with the screwdriver and mount this into place. Two little Phillips screws will hold this in place. So that's what I'm doing next. Just getting this off so we can disconnect it. Just in here, you're going to push a button to release it. There's that end. Yeah. Release button. And there's our two screws. just gonna screw out. And we'll just be able to wiggle this out. The key is not in the ignition, it's out, so should be able to put that right in there. Nothing fancy. Should just automatically line up with turning device inside there. See, these are pretty small screws. We'll just screw them back in, and what else? Reverse procedure to install. Reconnect it. Maybe double check everything works like you want it to before you put the plastic pieces together. That would be replacing your ignition switch on your 1999 Nissan Frontier and other models with this type of ignition switch. You can see the bottom piece is supposed to fit in this hole. Basically, when everything's lined up, you just want to snap this baby back into place on the top. Got little baby spikes on here to line up in little baby holes kind of along the way. Just going to make sure the things line up on both sides and snap it down. I don't know if you can hear with all the noise, but it was clicking together, so it's clicked together. And we'll just put our screws in. And our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that fell out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 holes, so we're good. Screws are left to loosen, right to tighten. So this is replacing your ignition switch on your 1999 Nissan Frontier. Alright, we can install this here. These two little fingers here can fit in this square hole here. Pretty much. I think that's pretty good right there.